Hello everyone, this video aims to give you some tips on how to solve the hyping issues in online video games such as League of Legends, Overwatch, Fortnite, and CSGO. So next I'm going to introduce you 3 methods that have proved pretty useful to many online game players. After trying each of them, you should go back to your game and check the ping time to see if everything has gone back to normal. Besides, there are quite a few fixes I haven't mentioned in this video that are useful as well. So if you're interested in more tips on specific games, you should check the links I put together under this video and see if they could help you further. So alright, now let's go to fix 1, which is to renew your IP address. First of all, you should search for command prompt on your computer, right-click the result and select Run as Administrator. In this window, type in the first command and press Enter. Notice that there's a space between ipconfig and the /. Go on to enter the second command. It will take some time, so you'll need to wait until you're able to enter the third and also the last command, as you can see in the video. And that's all for fix 1. Now just exit the command prompt and check whether your high ping issue has been solved. Now here we come to fix 2. Likewise, you have to search for control panel on your computer and open it. Then go to View Network Status and Tasks. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your current network adapter and select Properties. In this list, you have to find the IPv4 item and click Properties. Now click Use the following DNS server addresses. Just enter the Google ones, as we've shown you in this video. Click OK to save the changes. Now, this is not part of the fix 2, it's just if you want to restore your DNS server addresses, which means you no longer want to use the Google addresses that you've entered just now, here's how you can revert it. In the previous window, click Obtain DNS server address automatically and click OK. Now right-click your network adapter, disable it, and re-label it. That's all for now. This is the last fix I'm going to introduce in this video, which is to update your device drivers. And here are 2 options for you to do that. One is to update your drivers from the Windows Device Manager. This is probably the most commonly used way, but it's somewhat time-consuming and troublesome because you have to update all your drivers in the Device Manager window one by one. For example, if you want to update your network card adapter driver, you'll have to locate this entry, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Now choose the first option, then follow the on-screen instructions to update this driver. Sometimes Windows just won't provide you with the latest and even necessary drivers. So here you have option 2, which is to update your drivers with Driver Easy, a reliable driver updated tool. To get it, you have to Google Driver Easy and visit its official website. After downloading and installing Driver Easy, just run it and click the Scan Now button to let it automatically scan your computer and detect any problem drivers on it. After that, you can update your drivers with a few simple clicks using the Pro version of Driver Easy. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you find it useful to solve your problem. See you next time!